St. Sebastian's has a traditional, rigorous, very classical focused curriculum. And that classical curriculum, we know, is the best preparation for success in college. It's the best preparation for study because it's at the very core of our traditions. We use the word depth about the curriculum at St. Sebastian's. And what that means is that they can pursue what's effectively a college-level program by senior year. Our courses build one upon the other. So that's what we mean. We talk a lot about depth of the program. That narrower focus is a defined philosophy of curriculum, which says if you take that subject further in high school, it's going to allow you to do more in-depth study in college. Some of our students have been offered sophomore standing, again at Ivy League type colleges, where literally they say to the student, you can start as a sophomore because of the work you did at St. Sebastian's, and that's happened. I think that the school is set up for excellent college placement. Small class size, a lot of personal attention, individualized course program, an array of extracurriculars and athletics that allow students to stretch in those areas as well, which is very important to colleges today. Students not only getting into the top colleges in the country, but achieving at the highest level.
Applied our burner appropriately. Nice. Now we're going to make it all.
What's distinct about St. Sebastian's curriculum is the personal attention given to each boy. And what that means is that the curriculum really is tailored to meet the needs of that student. So a student can, in each discipline, get to the highest possible level. The other feature of the curriculum that I think is distinctive is the writing program. So that beginning in the 7th and 8th grade, there's a focus on writing. There's a special focus in 9th grade on writing. We have a course called Freshman Writing, which all students take in addition to English. And that sets them up for good writing in high school across the curriculum. In physics, in biology, in chemistry, you need to be able to craft essays. So the focus on writing early on in the curriculum builds to senior year, and we've seen a concomitant improvement in the students' performance, their placement in these high-level classes, their performance in them. I think that prospective students and their families should know that St. Sebastian's academically takes a backseat to no school, that I'd put our curriculum and our faculty up against any school in the country. Our faculty teach across grades 7 through 12, so they know in 7th grade where the curriculum is headed. We don't have a distinct middle school faculty and then a high school faculty. We're one school for grades 7 through 12, and the teachers teach across that. So if I'm teaching in the 7th grade and I'm teaching senior year, I know what those kids need in the 7th grade to get to senior year. And I know what they need to succeed. All our faculty knows. St. Sebastian's is going to tailor a student's academic program from the beginning all the way through to the highest level. Students are going to work with great faculty, sometimes one-on-one in math lab and tutorials, and we're going to put a student in the most appropriate program for him along the way.
Okay.
And over time, they build to a higher program. They may have one honors course or two the following year. By junior year, they're taking one AP, maybe 2 more honors. By senior year, they're in 3 advanced placement courses. That's an exciting story to be able to tell to a college. The colleges call that a rising record, a student who not only does better as he goes along, but is actually placed in higher courses. And the feedback we get from colleges about our curriculum is that they love it.